Hello everyone. Today I shall discuss exercise 1.1 question number 1. Question number 1 is given. Following number line shows the temperature in degrees Celsius at different places on a particular day. You see here, this is the number line and you see this is 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. This is minus 5, this is minus 10. First we will find what is the value of one small division. You see here there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 division means 5 degrees centigrade. Therefore, 1 division is 1 degree centigrade, right? This is 1 degree. The smallest division is 1 degree centigrade. Therefore, here you see the temperature of Simla is 5 degrees centigrade. The temperature of Simla is 5 degrees centigrade. The temperature of OT is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 degrees centigrade. The temperature of OT is 14 degrees centigrade, 14 degrees centigrade. And the temperature of Bengaluru is 20, 21, 22 degrees centigrade. This is 22 degrees centigrade, right? And the temperature of Srinagar is, this is 0, this is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Therefore, the temperature of Srinagar is minus 2 degrees centigrade, minus 2 degrees centigrade. And the temperature of Lahore Spiti is minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 8 degrees centigrade. This is minus 8 degree centigrade, right? Now we'll solve question number A. What is question number A? You see here, this is question number A. Now question number A. Observe this number line and write the temperature of the places marked on it. We have already marked the temperature. Therefore, we are writing the name of the places, name of the places, name of the places. On the right side, we are writing the temperature. Temperature. Right? The first one is Shimla. And the temperature of Shimla is 5 degrees centigrade. The next one is OT. And the temperature of OT is 14 degrees centigrade. 14 degrees centigrade. And the next one is Bengaluru. Bengaluru. And the temperature of Bengaluru is 22 degrees centigrade. 22 degrees centigrade. And the temperature of Srinagar. Next one is Srinagar. Srinagar. And the temperature of Srinagar is minus 2 degrees centigrade. And the temperature of Lahore Spiti is minus 8 degrees centigrade. Minus 8 degrees centigrade. Right? Here we have written the name of the places and the temperature of the places. Right? Now we will solve question number B. Now we will see what is question number B. Again we are writing the temperature of the places. Shimla is at 5 degrees centigrade. The temperature of OT is 14 degrees centigrade. The temperature of Bengaluru is 22 degrees centigrade. The temperature of Srinagar is minus 2 degrees centigrade. And the temperature of Lahore Spiti is minus 8 degrees centigrade. Right? Now, we'll solve question number B. In question number B, what is question number B? What is the temperature difference between the hottest and the coldest places among the above? Here you see, this is 0 and this is on the right side and this is on the left side. Here you see, we can see that the hottest place is Bengaluru, that is 22 degrees centigrade, and the coldest place is Lahore Spiti, that is minus 8 degrees centigrade, right? Therefore, we are writing the temperature of hottest place, the temperature of hottest place. The temperature of hottest place is the temperature hottest place is 22 degrees centigrade. 22 degrees centigrade. That means the temperature of Bengaluru, right? The temperature of Bengaluru, that is the hottest place, and this is 22 degrees centigrade. The temperature of hottest place is 22 degrees centigrade, that is at Bengaluru. At Bengaluru. Right? Now, the temperature of coldest place. The temperature of coldest place, the temperature of coldest place, the temperature of coldest place is, the temperature of coldest place is, you see here, minus 8 degrees centigrade, minus 8 degrees centigrade, that is at Lahore Spiti, at Lahore Spiti. That is at Lahore Spiti. Now, we have to find the temperature difference. Therefore, temperature difference is equal to temperature difference. Temperature difference is equal to temperature difference is 22 degrees centigrade minus of minus 8 degree centigrade. That is, we are getting 22 degrees centigrade minus into minus, this will be centigrade, this is centigrade, 22 degrees centigrade minus into minus is plus 8 degrees centigrade, and it comes to 22 plus 8, that is 30 degrees centigrade. Therefore, we are finding that the temperature difference is 30 degrees centigrade. Right? Now, we will solve question number C. What is the temperature difference between Lahore Spiti and Srinagar? Right? I will solve question number C. Now, question number C is, what is the difference between Lahore Spiti? What is the temperature difference between Lahore Spiti and Srinagar? First of all, again we are writing the temperatures of the places. Simla is at 5 degrees centigrade. The temperature of OT is 14 degrees centigrade. 14 degrees centigrade. The temperature of Bengaluru is 22 degrees centigrade. 22 degrees centigrade. The temperature of Srinagar is minus 2 degrees centigrade. And the temperature of Lahore Spiti is minus 80 degrees centigrade. 8 degrees centigrade. Now, we'll solve question number C. Now, question number C, you see here, what is the temperature difference between Lahore Spiti and Srinagar, right? The temperature of Lahore Spiti is the temperature of Lahore Spiti. The temperature of Lahore Spiti, the temperature of Lahore Spiti is minus 80 degrees centigrade. The temperature of Srinagar is the temperature of Srinagar, the temperature of Srinagar is, you see, the temperature of Srinagar is minus 2 degree centigrade, right? You have to find the temperature difference. Therefore, temperature difference is equal to, therefore, temperature difference is equal to therefore, temperature difference What is the temperature difference? Temperature difference is equal to minus 2 degrees centigrade minus of minus 8 degrees centigrade, right? We are getting the temperature difference, that is minus 2 degrees centigrade minus into minus plus 8 degrees centigrade, that comes to plus 6 degrees centigrade, plus 6 degree centigrade, right? We are again writing here, that is equal to plus 6 degrees centigrade. Therefore, the temperature difference between Lalspiti and Srinagar is 6 degrees centigrade, right? Now we will solve question number D. Now see what is question number D. We are using this one. Again we are writing the different temperatures of the places. The temperature of Simla is 5 degrees centigrade, 5 degrees centigrade. The temperature of Ooty is 14 degrees centigrade, 14 degrees centigrade. The temperature of Bengaluru is 22 degrees centigrade, 22 degrees centigrade. Temperature of Srinagar is minus 2 degrees centigrade, minus 2 degrees centigrade. And the temperature of Lalspiti is minus 8 degrees centigrade, minus 8 degree centigrade. Now we'll solve question number D. Now see what is question number D. Question number D is, can you say temperature of Srinagar and Simla taken together is less than the temperature at Simla? First we will find the temperature of Srinagar and Simla taken together. The temperature of Srinagar, the temperature of Srinagar and Simla, taken together, the temperature of Srinagar and Simla taken together, the temperature of Srinagar and Simla taken together is, the temperature of Srinagar is minus 2 degrees centigrade and the temperature of Simla is 5 plus 5 degrees centigrade. That heat is, let us write once again, is equal to minus 2 degrees centigrade plus 5 degrees centigrade, and it comes to plus 3 degrees centigrade, right? Therefore, we are finding that the temperature of Srinagar and Simla taken together is 3 degrees centigrade, and the temperature of Simla is, the temperature of Simla the temperature of Simla is 5 degrees centigrade, 5 degrees centigrade. Now the question, what is the question? Can you say the temperature of Srinagar and Simla taken together is less than the temperature at Simla? Yes. The temperature of Srinagar, because 3 degrees centigrade is less than 5 degrees centigrade, right? Yes, the temperature of Srinagar, and Simla taken together is less than the temperature, at Shimla. At the temperature of Srinagar and Simla taken together is less than the temperature at Simla. right? Here you see the temperature of Simla is 5 degrees centigrade and the temperature of Srinagar and Simla taken together is 3 degrees centigrade. Since 3 degrees centigrade is less than 5 degrees centigrade, therefore we can you say the temperature of Srinagar and Simla taken together is less than the temperature at Simla? Yes, the temperature of Srinagar and Simla taken together is less than the temperature at Simla. Next question is it also less than the temperature at Srinagar? We will find the temperature. The temperature at Srinagar is the temperature at Srinagar, the temperature at Srinagar, the temperature at Srinagar is minus 2 degrees centigrade, minus 2 degree centigrade. Now the question is it also less than the temperature at Srinagar? The temperature at Srinagar is minus 2 degrees centigrade and the temperature of Srinagar and Simla taken together is 3 degrees centigrade, right? Is it also less than the temperature at Srinagar? Since 3 degrees centigrade is greater than minus 2 degrees centigrade, minus 2 degrees centigrade. Therefore, is it also less than the temperature at Srinagar? No. The answer is no. Is it also less than the temperature at Srinagar? No. It is not less than the temperature, less than the temperature at Srinagar. Right? Because the temperature of Srinagar and Simla taken together is 3 degrees centigrade and the temperature of Srinagar is minus 2 degrees centigrade. The question is it also less than the temperature at Srinagar? The answer is no, it is not less than the temperature at Srinagar because 3 degrees centigrade is greater than minus 2 degrees centigrade. Right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.